Standard 8 Maths Factorization of Algebraic Expressions Part 3. Students, we have done two parts of factors of algebraic expressions. Today we are going to do the third part. In this we are going to see what are the factors of a cube plus b cube. How we are going to find the factors of sums which are in this form, that is a cube plus b cube. Now you don't have to remember the method by which we are going to find the factors. You just have to remember what factor we get at the last, but how we get that factor, that I am going to show you in this sum. Okay, you don't have to remember this sum, how we have done it. You have to remember the factor. But let us see, because we should know how we are coming to the conclusion or how we are coming to the exact factor. So now we know that a plus b the whole cube, we know this formula. This and this is different. Okay, a plus b whole cube formula we know, and this is only a cube plus b cube. Now what is a plus b whole cube formula? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So out of this, from this formula, whole formula, we have only these two parts, that is first and the last term. These terms are not there for this formula. Okay, now what we are going to do, we have to arrive at this formula in the last, so we will have to change something from here. Now what we are going to do, we are going to write this as a cube and we will take this b cube over here. So we have written this together. Okay, you have just shifted, we have not done anything else, we have just shifted. Like if it is say 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6, so we can write it as 2 plus 6 plus 5 plus 3, isn't it? Same way we have done here, only instead of writing a cube plus 3a square b and this, I have shifted this here. Next I am going to write 3a square b plus 3ab square. I think you have followed till here. So each step you have to understand what we are doing. We are just shifted the b cube to next to a cube. Now what I'll do, a cube plus b cube, I'll keep it like this. Now in between these two, I will take something common out. I'll put a plus sign here with the, now what is common in this? See, there is 1 3, here also there is 1 3. Then there is a over here, here there are 2a, but here there is only 1a, so 1a is common. Then there is here 1b and here there are 2b's, so 1b is also common. So what is common between these two? The common is 3, which is there in both the terms. Then there is 1a common in both the terms, because here there is only 1a, here there are 2a's, but common is only 1, so we take it out, only 1a, and 1b is common. Okay, this part is common for both. 3a square b also we have 3ab, and 3ab square also we have 3ab. Now when we take out something common, what is left? Now out of this all, we have taken out 3ab, so what is left over here? Here there is only a, isn't it? 3ab multiplied by a will give you 3a square b. What is left over here? Here only b is left. Have you followed how I got this? Again I'll explain. From this 3a square b and 3ab square, I want to take out something common. Whatever is same in both. Common means whatever is same. Now here there is 1 3, 2a, a into b, plus 1 3 here also, 1a and 2b's. Okay, so out of both, 1 3 is common, so from here also I have taken this 3, from here also. Then a, this a I have taken here, this a I have taken here, this b I have taken, and this b I have taken. So here there is 1a is left, which is inside, and here 1b is left, which is inside. Okay, so now we have arrived at this formula. Now I will just interchange, like a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. I'll change the sides. This whole thing I will take to the other side, and this part I'll take to this side. Right, left and right sides I will change between the equal to sign. So here I will write a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So when I change both the sides from here to there, I don't have to change the sign, remember this. But if you're taking only one number from one side, right side to left side, or from left side to right side, the sign will change. But as I'm taking the whole term of left side to the right side and whole of right side to the left side, there is no sign change, because it gets cancelled when I take both the terms to the other side. So here I have taken whole of this term to the right side to the left side, and now I will take the left side to the right side. So here I will get a plus b whole cube. I have just interchanged the sides. Now according to my what I want this. Okay, I want to find out. So here I am getting a cube plus b cube. So I'll keep this a cube plus b cube here only, and this remaining part I will take to the other side. Now when I take this remaining part to the other side, this sign will change, because I'm taking only one term. This is one term complete. Only one term I'm taking this side, so the sign will change. Now here what I will write, a cube plus b cube is equal to, first I will write this a plus b whole cube. Whatever is there, first I should write always that, and then whatever I am taking from this side, that I will write after this. So I will get here minus 3ab into a plus b. Properly understand what I have done over here. First I just shifted the right hand side term to the left hand side, and the left hand side term to the right hand side. This is the my left hand side term I shifted to the right, and the right hand side term I shifted to the left. After that I kept the a cube plus b cube here only, and this whole part plus 3ab into a plus b I shifted to the other side. But because I'm shifting only single term, the sign will change. Okay, so whatever is already there, you will keep it as it is, and this shifted term, the term which we have taking from one side to the other, will come after the original term. This is the original term, and this term which I shifted will come after this original term. Now what we have to do here, now this a plus b whole cube. Now what do you mean by a plus b whole cube? This is a plus b square. That is 2 times, isn't it? A plus b square multiplied by a plus b. This cube I am writing as in these two parts. Cube means what? Multiplied 3 times. So when I write, suppose I want to write 4 cube. So what will be it? 4 into 4 into 4. So I can write it as 4 square into 4 raised to 1, isn't it? Same way I am writing here a plus b whole cube as a plus b square into a plus b. Then this term I will write it as it is, minus 3ab into a plus b. Now again let us see between this term and this term, what is common here? This a plus b is common for both. So that I will remove out as a plus b. And what is left inside here? What is left inside here? I'll put a bigger bracket, a plus b whole square. Now this a plus b has come out. Sorry, I'll just shift the camera. This a plus b has come out from here. This a plus b is over here. What is left is a plus b whole square minus. Now this a plus b also has come out. Common I have taken. So minus 3ab. Have you understood this step? A plus b whole cube I have written as a plus b whole square into a plus b. And this I have kept it as it is. Now between these two terms, this is one term, this complete is one term, this complete is one term. A plus b I will take out common. What is left here? A plus b whole square minus 3ab. Now let us expand this. Expand means let us write. What is the full form of a plus b whole square? We'll write. Let this be a plus b as it is. So in bracket now, a square plus 2ab plus b square, and this minus 3ab. Okay, a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and this minus 3ab is already there. Now minus plus 2ab and minus 3ab, they are like terms. 1a, 1b, 1a, 1b, they are like terms, so we can add or subtract them. So what will happen over here? Plus 2 and minus 3. Different signs. So you will do the subtraction, that is 3 minus 2, that will be 1. And what sign we will get? Sign of the bigger number. So here I will get a plus b into a square minus 1ab plus b square. Okay. Even if I don't write the minus, it is okay. I can just write it as minus ab. So no need of writing this one. So what did I get here? A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Now this is the formula which you have to remember. How we got this formula I have shown over here. You don't have to remember this, but you should know how we got this formula. You have to remember this formula, that is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So you should always remember this. Whatever the formulas I had given in the earlier lesson, in that you have to write down this formula also and remember. So I'll just say it again. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Now let us solve one sum from practice set 6.2. I will solve a little bit difficult sum, that is the sum number 6. Okay, practice set 6.2, sum number 6. It is a bit difficult sum. Now what is there here? Y cube plus 1 upon 8y cube. Okay, so it is in the form of a cube plus b cube. What is b over here? Complete 1 upon 8y cube is b cube. Now let us write the formula. What is our formula? A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Always whenever you solve the sum, formula is a must, compulsory. You have to write the formula. Now what is a in case? Now see, this is a cube. What is a? We have to find out. What is a here? A is equal to y. What is b? Now this whole is b cube. So we have to write the cube root of 1, that is 1. Cube root of 8 is 2. And cube root of y cube is y. So be careful when you're writing this y. Why? Because b, in place of b, it is 1 upon 2y. It is not 1 upon 8y cube, remember. So all the numbers which will be over here, they will have a particular cube root. So cube root of 8 is 2. That is 2 into 2 into 2 will give me 8. That's why cube of 2 is 8 and cube root of 8 is 2. Now I got my a and b. Now I will substitute. Substitute means in place of a and b, here I'll put these two terms. So what will be my first term over here? It will be y plus 1 upon 2y. And the next bracket over here will be, first will be y square minus, now a into b. So y multiplied by 1 upon 2y and plus b square, that is 1 upon 2y. Now because it is 2y and because there is numerator denominator, I will put a bracket. So I can put a bigger bracket here, this way. Understood how I got this all? A plus b, so y plus 1 upon 2y. A square, that is y square, minus a into b, y into 1 upon 2y, plus b square, b is 1 upon 2y, 1 upon 2y square. Now we will open the bracket. Open the bracket means we are not going to multiply this. We will just keep this bracket as it is. This, whatever cancellations we will be doing. So here, now what will cancel over here? See, this is y and this is, here also there is a y. So I will cancel this y with this y. So what is left here? 1 upon 2. So answer here I'll get 1 y plus 1 upon 2y. This bracket will remain as it is. This will be y square minus 1. This y 1 upon 2. This y and this y has cancelled. So 1 upon 2. And here what I'll get? Plus this 1 square will be 1 and 2y square. So it will be 4y square. So this will be my answer. You don't have to do anything else now. You just have to substitute and you have to write down this. This is the answer. So you have to do the sum till here only. So y cube plus 1 upon 8y cube. The answer will be this. I hope you have followed this sum. One more easier sum now we will do. Let us... I did one sum which has a numerator denominator. Okay, that's why I have showed this sum. Now one simple sum which has a little bit bigger number, that we will do. Sum number 3. Okay, now sum number 3 is 125k cube plus 27 m cube. Again we'll write the formula a cube plus b cube. So our answer is a square, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Formula should be by heart. You should remember at the time of exam or whenever you're doing sums, you cannot go and find out the formula. It should be by heart. Now what is a and what is b, we have to write down. So a is equal to, now this is a cube, 125k cube. So what cube root of 125, we have to find a number whose cube is 125. So that is 5. 5 into 5 into 5, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. So a is 5 and cube root of k will be k cube will be k. And what will be b? B will be, what is the cube root of 27? It is 3. And cube root of m cube is m. So a is 5k and b is 3m. Now let us substitute in this. So this a plus b will be 5k plus 3m, a square 5k square minus 5k into 3m plus 3m square, and put a bracket. Why I am putting this in bracket? Because there is 5k and the square is for both 5 and k. If I just write it as 5k square, suppose I write it this way, 5k square. So the square will be only for k, not for 5. But the square is for both 5 and k. Same way here the square is for both 3 and m. That's why I have to put it into bracket. Okay. Now 5k plus 3m will remain as it is. Now here we will open the bracket. 5k whole square. 5 square is 25 and k square is k square minus. Now 5 into 3. Numbers you have to multiply first. 5 3s are 15. K and m as it is they will be plus. Now 3 square will be 9 and m square will be m square. Okay. This, instead of this step, you can directly write this step. If you know the squares properly, you can cut out this step directly. You can come to this step. But if you don't know the squares, you better write it this way and then solve. Okay. So we have done two sums, sum number 6 and sum number 3 of practice set 6.2. The remaining sums you will do for homework.